recognizing phishing attempts and scam messages. You've probably seen them before. You've received a payment from an ancestor you never knew of, and it's being held in some bank in another country. You just have to click this link or confirm these details or send a small payment. It doesn't really matter what kind of message you've received or that you've heard of. They're all mostly considering phishing, and they're all scams of some sort. Sometimes they may just be asking you for personal information, which in most cases, most people would immediately close the email or not even open the email to begin with. Other times, there may be a link in the body of the email. Clicking this link might direct you to a page where you fill out information, or even worse, a page that has a malicious script executed in the background upon page load. This is how hackers use a backdoor to gain entrance to your computer or accounts. There's all kinds of ways for scammers to attack your email inbox, whether it's just a request for personal information or a small fee, or sending you a malicious link. It's important that you learn to avoid all these scenarios by keeping an eye out and getting in the habit of recognizing spam messages. While you may think that this topic is trivial because most people would already know this information, you would be flabbergasted at the amount of new email users that ends up falling for these scams and spam. I won't go into detail regarding backdoors, but if you want to learn more, read this link, computersecurity.wikia.com/wiki/backdoor.